Uh, I'm Mr. Sanjay Bokade and I'm working as principal at Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology, Mumbai. Just wanted to share the experience of decarbonizing this car at one of the centers which has been recently opened in Navi, Mumbai. This car has been driven for a range of almost 60,000 kilometers, and I was experiencing bit lack of pickup as well as somewhat power drop also. I came to know about this center from some of my colleagues who visited to the place and had good experience about it. So I took my car to Decarbonising Center at Navi, Mumbai, located in Sector 14, and got the decarbonization of its stage 1 done there, which was a process of 45 minutes, and they passed some air along with some chemicals within it and got the engine decarbonized. And after a day, I could actually notice a significant improvement in its pickup as well as in its power also. And then there was a call from the decarbonizing center after a few days, and they took a feedback about the performance, and they even called for one more time for the second stage decarbonizing, and they had some chemical which was some additive which was put inside the fuel tank, and then the car was for one more time engine was fired and was kept on for some time, and I thereafter noticed a very significant change in its pickup speed, and I noticed that the mileage of my car even improved by 2 kilometers. So the daily running of this car is almost 60-70, sometime 100 kilometers per day. So this was a good deal, and I recommend all the car users, or bike users, or any four-wheeler users to take their cars to the decarbonizing center and get their car decarbonized. Thank you so much.